It is not safe for your little one to have access to dangerous tools and chemicals. Clean the cabinet surface. Place the latch and lock in the cradle and remove the adhesive. Attach it to the inside of the cabinet. Close the cabinet door so the lock will attach to the inside of the door. Then remove the cradle. Once you enable the lock function, rest easy knowing your cabinets are secure with high-quality 3M tape.
When you need to access your cabinet, grab the extra strong magnet key and place it on the front of the cabinet to temporarily disengage the lock.